Hi, I'm Penny from Cotswold Coffee, and today I'm going to show you how to clean down your coffee machine. So for the cleaning on the machine, we have a daily clean and a weekly clean. So on the weekly, we use this product. It's a quartz liquid cleaner, and all that you'll need for it is the cap from the bottle and also the blank disc. So we remove the double basket from the group handle, which has got lots of holes in it, which lets the coffee pour through, and we'll switch it over to the blank. So basically, when I say blank, it's got no holes in it. So what happens is when you pour that chemical in there and the water runs through, it gets forced back inside the machine to clean it. So we're just going to get half a capful of the liquid cleaner. Doesn't have to be exact, just roughly half a capful. Pour that into the group handle. Lock it into place. And then using the middle button, we're going to press this. And what happens is that it'll run, forcing that water back and chemical back inside the machine. And when this button starts to flash, as it is now, then we just stop it and it dumps all that dirty water out of the back. But then we're going to start it again, and we repeat this 5 times. And each time that button flashes, we stop it and then we restart it again. And then we're just going to take that out. And then you've just got your dirty remnants left. So we tip that away, and then we just give a good swill. And then we lock it back in, and we repeat the process with no chemical. So it gives it a really good rinse. This is really important that it's given a good rinse once that chemical's run through, because you don't want any of that going into your drinks. Okay, so once that's done, then we would also remove the drip tray, which we can wash in the sink, and just give everywhere a nice buff up and make sure it's all nice and clean and shiny. We would empty the coffee from our knockout drawer, and we'll also replenish the cups ready for the next day.